Number 1, teram. Teram, they want to know what case and the meaning is, right? So, teram, we know, we line it up. We know that tera and is accusative, direct object, singular, right? Because this whole column is singular, this is plural, and we're just lining them up. Accusative, which is direct object. Teram, for number 1, is accusative direct object, singular, and that is the direct object of earth. Okay. Number 2, silwas. Silwas. Look for your ending, which is right here, plural. Go across, accusative direct object, but it's plural. Silwas. Forests, direct object. Number 3, portarum. Portarum. The ending, so the root is port. Arum. We know it's genitive possessive, plural. Right? So, of the door. Or the doors, like. Number 4, gloriam. Gloriam. Look for the ending. It's right there. Accusative direct object, and it's singular. Direct object, glory, right? Number 5, portas. Portas, you look for the ending. Accusative, direct object, portas. It's plural. So that's if your noun happens to be in the direct object part of your sentence. Okay, number 6, silvam. Accusative direct object, singular. Silvam. Number 7, victoriae. Victoriae. So here it's going to be either genitive, possessive, singular, or dative, indirect object, singular, or nominative subject, plural. How do you know? Depends on how it's used in your sentence. If you've already found your nominative and it happens to be a different word, you know it won't be here. But if they're talking about someone possessing something, then it might be possessive, genitive, or if it's an indirect object. You'll know by the use in its sentence. So that's 3 possibilities there. Number 8, nautarum. Nautarum. Genitive, possessive, plural. The sailor, sailors, or of the sailors. Number 9, tera, terai. Like the previous one, it's either going to be nominative, subject, plural, terai, if it's the subject of your sentence, or if it's possessive, the earth's flowers, for example, or the flowers of the earth. It would be terai. It would be either genitive, possessive, singular, or if it happens to be the indirect object, so to or for. For example, to the earth or for the earth. Terai. Number 10, victoria. Victoria. Victoria, nominative subject. That's your subject. It's singular. Or it could be, actually, no, it's without the macron right here, the little line above the A. This one does not have the macron, so it's only nominative. If it had the line or the macron, it would be ablative or object of the preposition. which is by, with, or from the victory. But it's nominative. 11. Now thigh. Now thigh. Just like our previous examples, if it's your subject plural, now thigh, the sailors, or if the sailors are possessing something, the sailor's boat, or the boat of the sailors, it's going to be genitive possessive, singular. Or if it's going to be to the sailor or for the sailor, the indirect object dative, right? Depends on where it is in the sentence. 13. Gloria. Oh, sorry. 13. Gloriae. Gloriae. Just like the previous one. Nominative plural, glories, or possessive, the glory of the glory, or glories, or dative singular, to or for the glory. Gloriae. Number 14. Mariae. Mariae. Just like the other ones, depends on how it's used in the sentence. So, Mariae or Mariae, possessive, genitive, or dative indirect object, Mariae, to or for Mary. Number 15, porta. Porta, no macron, easy. Nominative subject, it's your subject of your sentence. It's door, singular. Okay, and last one of the row of 16, silvis. Silvis. Dative indirect object, and it's plural. It's to or for the forests. 17. Victoria. Victoria. Simple, no macron. It's your subject, nominative subject, singular. 18. Terá, same thing, no macron. Terá would be nominative subject, singular. 19. Portis. It's being used as the indirect object of your sentence. To or for the door. Portis. It's plural. 22. Mari. 22 is Maria. Again, your subject of your sentence. Maria, singular. 23. Terrarum. Terrarum. Earth. It's genitive possessive, plural. Terrarum. It's of the earth or the earths. 24. Terra. Simple, no macron. So, terra, nominative subject, singular. It's a subject of your sentence, the earth. The earth. 25. Getting closer to the end. Silwa. Silwa, forest. Nominative subject, singular. Silwa. 26. Mariam. Mariam. Accusative direct object. Mariam. Singular. So, to or for Mary. 27. Silwai. Another one, depends on how you use it in the sentence. If it's the subject and it's plural, the forests, right? Silwai. Nominative subject. If it's possessive, of the forest or the forests, silwai, singular. Or if it's dative, it's used as an indirect object, to or for the forest. Sil, why? 28. Teris. Teris. That also will depend on context, but in both cases, plural. See? Teris. If it's indirect object, teris, to or for the earth, or object of the preposition, by, with, from the earth. Teris, plural. The earths. Okay. Gloria. Gloria. No macron. Your subject singular. Glory. Gloria. If there were a macron, it would be ablative, object of the preposition, by, with, or from glory. Okay. And silwa. Silwa. Without the macron, it's your subject, singular. Your nominative subject, silwa. If it had the macron, it would be ablative, object of the preposition, by, with, from the forest. And 3 more. Silvarum. Silvarum. Genitive possessive, right? Plural. Silvarum. So, of the forest, or the forests, or of the forest. It's plural, forests. Last 2. Nauta. Nauta. Singular. Singular subject of your sentence. Nominative subject. Singular. Nauta. If it had the macron, ablative. Object of the preposition, by, with, or from the sailor. Nauta. And last one. Portai. Portai. Last one also depends. If it's in the subject part of your sentence, portai, it's the doors. Nominative subject, plural. If it's used as possessive, of the door. Genitive possessive, singular. Or if it's used as an indirect object, it's dative, right? So to or for the doors. And that is exercise number 2.